Citizen of the world, we greet you all together wherever you are in the world, and wish you the good feeling and the good luck and the good understanding for this program from the sky that I have written, the live theorems of the sky. This day we want to develop the 12th chapter, the mixing on liquid, solid and gassy matters in the sky and to the atmospheres with the impact of the solar energy and the galactic networks. The solar lights did the energy projection to the origin of the aerial space on crossing the macromolecular gas, those constitutes the shipworks of the skies. The proliferation of the mixing bodies, those constitute the constituent of the sky, is released from the Big Bang one. Our physical experience teaches that the earthly space is on relation with the aerial spaces and the atmospheres just around the globe, the planet and the seven skies. The supports of the sky, the support of the sky are also like the sun, like the sky constitute the macromolecular gassy matters rich on massive volumes with the gassy masses those keep the preponderant on high rates with the frequency of energies modeled the galactic networks those influence the satellites by our ballistic operation. The solid elements of the sky contain the rock, those mark the primogeniture of the planetary rocky layers. The structures of the sky are modeled the sedimentary rocks, the debris, and the conifer. Our spiritual divine strength of omnipotence of omniscience verifies that our conscience that has a aura of sign omniscience and of the immanence of God for writing 20 memories of Master 1, 20 memories of Master 2, and 20 phases of doctorate with very good honorable motion, because our writing are fiddle at the right and are not late to demonstrate the structures of the sky with the apodictic reasons authentically. The norms of the skies articulate themselves on the system of anesthesia, energy retention, on the transmission of the elements those constitute the atmospheric gassy matters. The celestial cycle is scientifically compounded the cellular structures those breathe the aerial gas. The solid state of the skies verifies that the sky is rich on rocky matters with massive less heavy than the molecular gases of those constitute the support of the skies. Every sky keeps a thickness that measures the millions of kilometers and those include all chemical matters of which the interval of the skies include all gassy matters and the mineral substances with the high preponderant rate. That is what verifies that the skies leave the traces on the planet and on the planetary atmospheres. The live theorems of the sky are not laid to demonstrate that the skies are strictly compounded on energetic, biogassy, and bioenergetic, gassy, energetic, and chemical substances, and on rocky and interstellar matters. After the examination of the sky, our archaeological scientific mystic experience will do the study to the rocks of our vast programs on the study of the earth without any reticence. The scientific immanent dimension of God inculcated to my head, our soul and conscience to my spirit certified as the wiser than all the creatures for writing 100 excellent books rich on rights for demonstrating that the creation was on form of only one unity and the sky returns the greatest gassy quantity. The special norms are on relation with the laws of the sky those keep this imperceptible scientific dimension. Thank you very much. That's what we wanted to explain this day. I wish you the good understanding and the good lecture and the good reading. Thank you very much. See you next.